This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canvas in JavaScript. The HTML Canvas element offers a powerful way to draw graphics on a web page. Think of it as a blank digital canvas where you can paint anything using JavaScript code. It's incredibly versatile, perfect for creating dynamic animations, interactive games, or even complex data visualizations. Its default dimensions are 300 pixels wide and 150 pixels high, providing a starting point for your creative projects. To begin, you'll need to include a canvas tag within your HTML file. It's a good practice to assign an ID to your canvas, making it simple to reference from your JavaScript code. Next, in your JavaScript, use document. Get element by ID to retrieve this canvas element. Once you have the element, obtain its two-dimensional rendering context using getContext2D. This context object is your primary tool for all drawing operations. With your canvas context ready, you can start drawing. To create a solid rectangle, use the fillRect method, specifying its x, y, width, and height. For an outlined rectangle, stroke_rect is your go-to. Drawing circles or arcs involves begin path, arc, and then fill or stroke. You can also draw custom lines by moving to a starting point with Move To, and then using Line To and Stroke. Bringing your canvas to life with animation requires a few key steps. First, you'll typically clear the entire canvas using clear_rect before drawing each new frame. Then, update the positions or properties of your drawing elements. For smooth, efficient animation, always use requestAnimationFrame, which tells the browser to perform an animation and requests that the browser calls a specified function to update an animation before the next repaint. Finally, add event listeners for user interaction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.